After the initial installation of the fryer, as well as before every change of oil, the fry pot should be thoroughly cleaned. This procedure is known as clean out or deep clean. Some customers or brands may also refer to this procedure as boil out. However, that term is no longer used since the water does not reach boiling temperature. Before I continue with the steps involved in completing this procedure, I want to clarify that the steps illustrated in this video apply to general market customers. Brand customers should always follow fry pot cleaning procedures outlined by the brand. The completion of this procedure will require the use of personal protective equipment and, as mentioned before, always follow brand-specific guidelines in the clean-out procedure as well as personal protective equipment that must be worn. Start the clean-out procedure by turning the cook pump switch to off. If hot oil is present in the fry pot, it must be drained into a safe container or oil disposal shuttle such as the ODS 100 by slowly pulling the drain handle out towards you. Close the drain valve and discard the oil. Raise the lid, remove the rags and carrier from the lid, and tilt the lid back so that the lid won't interfere with the cleaning. Fill the fry pot about 1 inch above the fill line with hot water and add 3 packets of Henny prime cleaner if cleaning an electric fryer, or 4 packets if cleaning a gas fryer. The part number for the Henny prime cleaner is 12400. Now, turn the cook pump switch to the cook position and enter the clean-out mode by pressing and holding the idle button until the clean-out prompt appears on the screen. Press the number 1 button to start the clean-out procedure or number 2 to cancel. The fryer displays clean-out mode and heats up to a pre-programmed temperature of 195 degrees Fahrenheit or 91 degrees Celsius, then automatically begins a preset timed countdown. Use the down or up arrows to keep cleaning solution from boiling over. A word of caution: do not close the lid at any point during the clean-out procedure. Water under pressure becomes superheated, and when the lid is opened, escaping water and steam will result in severe burns. Watch the cleaning solution constantly to make sure it does not boil over, causing damage to controls. Do not use steel wool or other abrasive cleaners, or sanitizers containing chlorine, bromine, iodine, or ammonia chemicals, as these will deteriorate the stainless steel material and shorten the life of the unit. Lastly, do not use a water jet or pressure sprayer to clean the unit, or component failure could result. Using the Henny brush, part number 12105, scrub the inside of the fry pot, the lid frame, and around the countertop of the fryer. After the timer has ended, turn the cook pump switch to the off position. Open the drain valve and drain the cleaning solution from the fry pot into the drain pan and discard. If using Henny prime cleaner, a neutralizing rinse with vinegar is not required. Simply replace the empty filter pan under the fryer and rinse the fry pot thoroughly with fresh water with the drain valve open. Thoroughly dry the filter pan and the fry pot interior. Make sure the inside of the fry pot, the drain valve opening, and all parts that come in contact with the new oil are as dry as possible. Place the clean filter screen assembly back in the filter pan and install under the fryer. Finish the cleanout procedure by refilling the fryer with fresh oil and placing a clean carrier back on the lid.